Lachlan trying to get around Charlie in second place, but the battle was on.
And that's going to prevent Turner here, even with the second place finish, not in position to wrap the title on Friday. It will come down to the day's final moto.
Here's Lachlan after, as you mentioned, a little banged up, knows the championship. She needs all these points, so she makes her way up into second place.
Enough to get the moto win. She splits points on Friday with Cannon, who would end up second. So it's a 24-point lead for Turner with one moto to go.
Give us a breakdown of both your motos.
Yeah, in Moto 1 I had a gnarly crash and hit the ground where I broke my back, so my sternum's hurting. And then in the Moto 2 my adrenaline took over and it stopped hurting, but now it's hurting. But yeah, I went 2-1 on the weekend. I rode for Haiden and I just pushed through it.
What is your mentality going in tomorrow? What do you have to do to get it done?
I already have it. I just need I don't even need a ride tomorrow in Moto, but I'm gonna just go out there and have fun.
Alright, what's up? We're out here at Bud's Creek, final round, so ready to go have a good day, have some fun. The track shapes up well, so it should be good.
Last round of the year came quick. Been a long year so far though, and yeah, just ready to finish it out strong. Hopefully get off the gate good today. Feel good so far. They put a lot of water down, ripped it deep, and looks like we're gonna have some traction today. So yeah, just one more practice to go. Sun was in the eyes bright and early this morning. We go first today, so looking for a better practice and then get ready for the motos.
How's it going for out there for you today?
Track's nice. I really like the way this one develops, and it's got some good hills to it. The first practice there. Our second qualifier's coming up here soon, so overall it's good. Just a little bit behind the first place, so yeah, looking forward to getting the day going.
How's the day going so far, homie?
Yeah, it's going all right. First qualifying session was good. Second was closer. It was times are all pretty close, so yeah, we got 2 motos today. Hopefully we can finish strong. That's the goal. Last 250 outdoor race besides designations, so want to go out there and have some fun.
Yeah, it was good. So that was the best one I've had. Second was a lot better for me. Came out, kind of went behind Cole a bit and just tried to find some lines, and it was good. Like, I just kind of let go, have some fun, and I think I was 15th or 16th that one, so take it. It's better than it has been, so yeah, we'll just bring that into the moto and give them all today.
Track's alright, to be honest. It's very hard packed and like kind of one line, like very one line. But I feel like if I get a start, I'll be up there, kind of run that pace a little bit. But kind of struggling with bike setup a little bit. Not bad though. Kind of figuring it out, so I think we should be good for the race. Just gotta get a start.
Any expectations for yourself on this week?
Just kind of top 10, to be honest. I feel like that's a very realistic goal, so that's what I'm gonna shoot for.
Yeah, not bad. Track's pretty good. It's gonna be pretty one line today, so it's gonna be really start dependent. So yeah, we just gotta make sure we get off that gate and give ourselves a good position and yeah, fight hard.
It's alright. I think I'm 11th in qualifying, I think. It's alright. Times are pretty similar. Just gonna have to get a good start and ride from there. But yeah, it's alright.
What are you looking forward to going into SMX?
I don't know, just building, getting back to where I belong, and yes, building back to where I was.
Started out pretty rough, crashed a few times in the first qualifying session, but made some big changes to the bike and felt way better in the second one. So feeling pretty good coming to the motos. Just need to get a couple good starts and put myself up there with those guys.
How's the track shaping up to the qualifiers for you guys?
I like it. I feel like there's a decent amount of ruts and there's a few turns that are pretty hard packed, so it's kind of a variety of different dirt. So yeah, I'm liking it, so it should be good.
Yeah, feeling pretty good. Struggled a little bit in qualifying. I don't know what it is, I just can't qualify. Pretty frustrating. I was trying to follow Dylan around out there, but apparently that didn't work. Qualified 10th, I qualified 20th, so I don't know, it could be worse. I'm a racer, so hopefully we get a good start, go out there and crush it, see if we can run with those boys.
30 minutes, 2 laps, 41 riders on the gate. Let's go.
Looks like he's going to try to make the pass. Oh, Jen Lewis, let's do the turn down for what? Justin Cooper got that pass up the inside, but
Jen fights back.
good to see him out here, especially this early in the race. He's had the pace the last few weekends and qualifying.
So this would be big for him to get, well, should be on the podium either way, but second would be big. And the hustle for second, and it will be Justin Cooper. So a little more to think about on a championship day for Haiden Deegan. See if he can lock this down. Here we go. Wait, there is a red flag. So presumably a rider is down somewhere and they are going to restart this moto. Once again, the reds are up. Dave's down. Wow, much better for the young New Zealander who struggled last week in his Pro Motocross debut, actually coming off injury at Unadilla, but he's running well in second as we see Deegan in fourth. Certainly looks good right now.
Yeah, and there'd be certain tracks, he was losing the front end right there, he had to just gas it, but that's when you talk about skills. That was beautiful in this kid. Now he's
and Bill Downing, Davies to the lead, as Cole Davies leads Haiden Deegan. What a bounce back, what a turnaround. Deegan, yes, now all over Davies. Here's Deegan trying to set up a run around the outside.
Notice it as a router.
Woo! That got close again. Deegan and Davies fighting for it.
Let's see if Cole squares him up.
Not quite.
No.
Haiden Deegan to the lead. And the checkered flag is in sight. This will be more than enough to wrap it up. So it's time to lock in, chat, because Haiden Deegan is a two-time 250 Motocross champion. Here's the official footage of it.
Looks like Tom Vial jumped in.
Oh, maybe Vial, Shimoda, and Deegan. Yep. So the riders on the outside jumped it. So that has been under review for a while. We now have Mike Pelletier from the AMA. Mike, you with us?
I'm with you guys.
Okay, so is there a ruling on that situation, jumping with a red cross?
There is. When you jump on a red cross, it's a 5-point penalty. But if you pass another rider while doing so, it's also a position penalty as well. So both Haiden and Joe received a 1 position and 5 championship point penalty.
And we're set for another WMX season closer. Revs are up. Gates down. It looks like Turner starting to get away, doing what she does. That's why she's the defending champ.
Lachlan is only half a lap from going back to back.
This is it, folks. Last lap. She's going to win it the right way. She's going to go 2-1-1 to win the overall. And with it, a second consecutive title. Lachlan Turner is the women's motocross champion.
It feels amazing to go back to back, just so sick.
See how it goes this time. And Justin Cooper up to third real quick, the runner-up in Moto 1.
It was really good. I honestly felt unreal all day. Qualifying went really good. Second, first moto was a battle. All day was a battle, really. Everyone was riding really good and was able to finish second in the first one. And then, got another good start around third in the second moto and felt unreal behind those guys for about 15 minutes. Made a big mistake, tucked the front, and basically came to a stop. And all at the same time, lost my flow. Hit lappers, RJ was all over me, so got a little flustered, and RJ got around me in some lappers, and then from there just closed back into him, followed him around, and from there it was just getting to the finish, and really wish I could have not made that mistake and really tried to battle those guys at the front, but did my best, so that's all that matters.
Let's do it one last time. And he gets the jump. Deegan battling with Thrasher, his teammate. Nick Thrasher has the whole shot. Deegan second. Well, good stuff from Deegan, making that move on Thrasher. And you're going to see him put the pedal to the metal. See if he can break away. Red flag. So that is for Vomer, who is down. Here it is.
I knew he was going to come out firing his moto because the kid wants to win.
The numbers aren't going to say he's the best ever at this. I know some other guys who are very good in this class, but he has certainly lived up to any amount of hype that you could have piled upon this kid when he turned pro or what he did in this class over 3 seasons. Winning quickly, winning titles, keeps it going. Haiden Deegan dominates the day at Budds Creek, the capper of a championship season.
Good. It's a relief. There's a lot of stress on the mechanic because it's gotta make it through, especially when a kid like that handles it, right? He's gonna get it done, so a lot of the pressure comes back on you. So to have it over at the final round, man, that's a little stressful. I don't think he's ever really waited until the final round to get it done. Maybe SMX, but man, it feels good to get it done. That's 5 with him. That's crazy.
What's next for you guys? 3-time SMX champ?
Yeah, you go for a 3rd SMX and then try to set the world on fire next year on that big bike.
I'm stoked, man. I don't know. All I can say, it's it's mentally draining. So when you come out on top, it's sick. I'm stoked. And now we just go back to work because we got another championship to win. Obviously, I'm going to celebrate a little because I've still got that militia in my blood. But yeah, I'm stoked.
Jim Roach, Yamaha Racing Department Manager. I spend most of my time here at SuperMotocross Motocross with Star Racing, which is our effort. And for the last number of years, 3+, we've had a lot of success and everything's gone very well. So I go to these races because this is Yamaha's largest investment, and it's so high-paced that everything can change in a minute. So it's best to stay on top of things. So this weekend we're at Budds Creek, final round of motocross for 2025. It's been a great day for us. Justin Cooper went 2-4 for 3rd overall. Haiden Deegan went 2-1 for 1st overall and clinched his second back-to-back championship for 250 motocross. Lachlan Turner went 2-1-1 for 1st overall and clinched her 2nd championship in a row for WMX. So overall, great weather, great crowd, great day to be here at the racetrack. So it's been wonderful.